When you lift the center of a roof to raise its height, especially just a portion of it instead of the whole roof, that's usually called a pop top or sometimes a roof pop-up. So here's the deal. A pop top is basically when you cut into the roof and add extra vertical space by raising just the middle section, which gives you more headroom upstairs without changing the whole roofline. It's super popular for people who want to add a whole new floor or just increase attic space without doing a full-on second story. Now, if you're only raising the center part of the attic but not messing with the whole roof, that's often called a clerestory or monitor roof style. These have vertical windows or walls that pop up in the middle to bring in light and add height. It's kind of like those boujee houses you see with tall middle sections and big windows, letting in tons of natural light, but it's different from dormers, which stick out from the sloped roof and usually add smaller spaces or windows. Dormers are more like little roof extensions on the side, while pop tops and clerestories lift the roof itself. The term roof popping is pretty common in home renovation circles when homeowners want to create more space upward without a full rebuild. When you Google this stuff, pop top or raising the roof center will get you more hits than just dormer, because dormers are more specific and don't always mean raising the entire height of the roof's middle section. So yeah, it's not dormer or monitor exactly, but shares some features with both depending on how much of the roof you raise and if windows are involved. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to raise part of their roof is not checking local building codes first, because these projects can affect your home's structure significantly and might need permits. Another common issue is underestimating how much support you'll need. Lifting just a portion means you gotta reinforce beams properly or risk sagging later on. Lastly, folks often get confused between dormers and pop tops and end up planning the wrong design, which can mess with the whole vibe or function they want. The fix? Talk to a pro contractor who knows local rules and structural requirements before starting. Get clear on what kind of roof modification fits your goals, and always plan for extra support and ventilation so your new space stays comfy. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors who get all these roofing styles and can help you figure out what's best for your house. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find homeowners looking for exactly this kind of work, making the whole process way less stressful on both sides.